chocolate milk and pancake.
Pancake.
It's syrup. I had a blueberry muffin, which I ate because I'm hungry. And I have a toast. And I'm not going to be eating this boiled like my dad.
Wow. And Zouni, what are you having? Cereal?
Yes. It's milk.
And look at Mama's plate. She got like a very good omelette and everything. No, this one is for adults. They are same, okay.
Sir, I am so sorry. No, thank you. Okay, all right. Put the rope down, you two. Y'all are crazy. Down with the rope. Oh my goodness. Are we in Freeport yet? We need to get these guys off the boat. I think they're going a little stir crazy. All right.
How we doing? Did you guys have a good parade?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Show me your monkey! Holy moly. I want that monkey right here, the blue shirt, and I want this peach shirt right here. You guys come on up and meet my monkeys. Come on up. Will you be a monkey today with me? Come on. Come on. Come on up here. Be a monkey. All right. Y'all give our monkeys a round of applause. Come here, buddy. Come here, guys. You're trying to smile, but you're trying to hide it. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, come here. And what's your name? Zane. Everybody say hi, Zane.
Hi, Zane.
All right, you guys are going to be our crazy Wickersham cousins, so you're going to be wildly crazy monkeys. Yeah, you okay? So come on up. Everybody who wants to be up on stage, come on up so you can get a very big view, good view of the show. And parents, you can come up here as well. If you have kids under the age of 3, you got to come and sit down. Have you guys ever met a who before? No. Well, let me tell you, you're going to be who's, and you're going to be super amazing who's. How about a big round of applause for all of our characters, ladies and gentlemen? Yes? But I feel like we're missing one person. Who could we be missing? Well, I think we can bring the cat in the hat right on back over here. Yes. There he is. Wow. Cat in the hat. What did you think of the performance? Did they do good? 2 thumbs up. I think they did great, right, everyone? Well, I think we had a great show. How about another round of applause for all of our characters and Dr. Seuss's Pouring Tears of Who? All right, you guys. Thanks for coming out. I hope we have a good time.
Guys, we almost went to the Bahamas. There's a few more minutes. I did a tent! Look, the boat! They're going back. So, here's what I have. I have some leftover burger. It's actually kind of good. These fried dumplings.
Dumplings, okay. And Zouni, you had burger right now? Nice and fried. And then what did you have? Burger?
Yep.
Wow, burger are famous. And then we have tacos, burrito for mama, and some more food. Let's enjoy the food. Yay! Yo, ice cream.
Guys, so we just got back from lunch, and then we came in the room. We saw this cute elephant thingy.
It's not elephant. It's a puppy, I guess.
Yeah.
No, it's not a monkey. It's a puppy.
Yeah.
You see, there are 2.
No.
I really love it. Whatever.
I think it's an elephant. Yeah, I think it's an elephant.
Yeah.
I don't see a trunk.
They missed the trunk.
Okay, there's a mystery we have to solve. What is it? What are you, little guy? Tell me. Okay, he's not talking to me.
Hi guys. So we're here at Freeport Bahamas.
Okay, so this is our ship. That very big cruise. Okay. To all the way there. Yeah. Now let's go and check. Some shopping and attraction. Come on. Follow her. Okay. Yeah, bags, seashells. Yes. we are having, you know, Zan's name engraved on this one.
That's
Zan
right.
is getting his name engraved. Okay,
That's
let's
right.
start it.
You put his name on here.
And this is where I.
Okay, in the meantime, he's engraving the name. Zoufi got a necklace. My God.
It's a necklace and a bracelet.
Necklace.
So this is the necklace and this is the bracelet.
Okay, show me the bracelet.
And magnet. Pretty much.
And this is magnet.
Yeah,
Oh.
they're actually magnets. Which
My
is
God.
actually kind of cute.
They are selling a lot of stuff here. My God, Bahamas. It's our friend. What's your name, friend?
My name is Marcus.
Marcus has done here. Can you show me what Marcus has
They
done?
call me engraving boy.
Engraving boy. Okay.
With Zen on the head and 2020 on the
Yeah,
back.
but I cannot see it in the camera. You have to show it.
You have to bring it over.
Yeah, 2020. And there it goes then. Nice. They are just putting a picture here with this thing. You guys like it? Oh my God, okay. It's a senior frog. Come on, let's go check out other things. Come on.
Here is, you guys saw me with my necklace. Here's the bracelet.
Yay. Hey, look, Zouni, where is she going?
You can sit there.
She can do it.
So this is the shop. It's about carving.
Uh-huh.
And as you can see, this is something like that somebody made, and then that's what he's working on.
Yeah.
Like the same thing.
The guy is already making it, yeah?
No, then here's the finish look. That's what he made.
Finished. Finished one, yeah. Yeah, I really like those things, whatever they are making, like walking sticks and other stuff. So you guys can see, you know, he's already making one. Wow, handmade. Impressive. And a lot of other stuff here as well. And some more here.
I like that mahi mahi. Mahi mahi dog. This is an exercise. You sit on this and then you do this.
Yeah, but there's some machines, but this is actually a mini golf. But I like it. We will come in the morning here.
Yeah, stand somewhere.
And Zan and Zouni are doing some weird kind of swinging exercise.
Okay? Oh, there's
Easy, easy. Always go easy.
Huh?
Safety first.
Yes. Yeah, I call it surfing. I feel like I'm surfing there.
Oh, it feels like more like you are bicycling. चलो आप लोग देखो ये.
Hey guys!
Yeah.
Guys, look at Zay there! Thank you for the exercise.
Oh, this is, you know, actually a good one. Yeah, it's a cardio kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Good. Hey, Zoufi Zan. This is the main attraction area.
Guys, guess what? I found a... Hold on, start with...
Okay, Zoufi, you were saying something?
Yeah, I found a blue crayon in here. And it's very large. Wanna see it?
Yeah.
It's all the way down there. You see
All right.
What is this, blue?
Yeah, it's a large, big, giant blue fish.
Large blue crayon.
Guys, check
Okay,
out my
Zouni is
necklace.
trying to show us something. Yeah, there are 2 elevators. Yes.
Tonight's game show. And now let's start with some fun. Get those hands clapping.
Just like that. Upstairs, downstairs, no matter where you are, get those hands clapping to the beat. And speaking of upstairs, we're so glad you guys are here. This is why we invited tonight's big competition.
Yay! Zouni, you are having your food?
Mm-hmm.
What are you having? Mac and cheese. Again.
I got the same thing.
The same thing. Okay, Mama got the Greek salad. I got the vegetable rolls. Zoufi also got the mac and cheese.
Yesterday I got chicken nuggets and fries. Today I thought I'd go with the mac and cheese.
Okay.
And then fresh veggies.
Fresh veggies. Oh wow.
So I got my appetizer.
Appetizer. Okay, what is that?
Cocktail shrimp.
Shrimp cocktail. Okay. Yay! Let's start eating.